Good morning. It's Friday. Came up here last night, didn't get up here till like 10:30, but Buddy's with me again this trip. His mother says she doesn't want him around this weekend because they're doing a bridal shower thing. So I rescued him. I think it would have been torture for a young lad to be around that. Anyhow, we have the fire lit. Gonna get starting with our mornings. Gonna be an easy weekend, nothing too strenuous, other than I do want to cut a couple of large white pines down to block them into lengths to make siding for the driving shed project and to side the kitchen building. So we'll get sort of settled in here and get back to you. By the way, left the truck up here last weekend. A friend was kind enough to pick me up, and we had the little buggy too, so used the truck for skidding logs and the little buggy for transportation. So later, people. Okay, it's Friday afternoon. It's been raining like all day. Still raining. But I'm tired of waiting, so we're going to cut this white pine down. Without a doubt, the biggest tree I've ever cut, but I think we'll do okay. Going to set the tripod up here. Hopefully I don't crush it. Buddy boy here is going to be standing well back and safe, and we'll see what happens. Be with you in a couple of minutes. What do you think of that, buddy? Yup. And that be that. And there's our cut. It's a decent size. And goes way up there. We got 4 sections at 13 feet before the branches started. And I'm not into salvaging the stuff with the branches because, well, big knots. Anyway, Buddy Boy has been quite patient and tolerant of me. It's still raining, we're both soaked to the skin, and going to head back now. Thank you. So there's supper cooking away. 2 cheapy Walmart steaks. Buddy here says he does not like Montreal steak spice, so I'm cooking mine with and his without. Love the cooking rock. Later. Okay, sorry about that. Camera fell over, but we got her back here. Now to unchain and roll it into position. And then go get some lunch, I think. Okay, got the next log skidded out of the bush and over to the road. Got to turn the truck around, come in here and haul it back to the clearing. Maybe we'll try to bring you along for the ride. Later.
Okay.
Okay, you got it, buddy?
Yes, I do.
Watch. Okay, this is what we've got done today. We got, oh, and there's Buddy Boy. Say hi, Hanson.
Hi.
Okay, we got these 4 logs skidded out. That big one was a beast. We tried to videotape that, but the camera gave us some issues. Sorry for that. We're getting quite a few ready. We want to cut one more tree down, and then I think I'm ready for the sawmill guy. Probably going to have to move that stack of lumber over there to make room for a saw in here. Yikes. Anywho, I think we're going to wander back to the last tree I want to cut and give you a shot on it. Okay, we'll be back in a sec. Okay, here's the next one. It goes way up there. Certainly without a doubt the largest tree I've ever tackled. Got a lot of siding out of this. Now, it did have 2 major trunks. One trunk broke off of it a few years back and I did harvest it, but I think there's still a lot of lumber here. I'm actually a little intimidated, but we shall see. And I do want to harvest it before it rots away completely. But back at you tomorrow then. I think Buddy wants spaghetti for supper, and about time I got the fire stoked up then. Later. Good morning, friends. It's Sunday morning. Very late Sunday morning. Got a dramatically late start today. For some reason, Buddy Boy was up throwing up all night. So I let him sleep in. But our fire made it through the night. And we have decided to make it an off day. So we're not going to cut that big tree down and drag it out today. I'm just going to split wood, Buddy says he's going to stack it for me. Won't push too hard. Just a slow Sunday. Thanks for your time. We'll be back later. Okay, we got everything cut, split. Just need to stack her up and put her away. But it's lunchtime, and Buddy says he's hungry, which is a good thing after last night. Fire's going. Yay! Back at you later. Okay, Hanson just spotted this. Now, is that a spider or what? He's gone. Wow. What was that? About 2 inches across? Huge. Cool. Okay, it's Monday morning, and I'm afraid it's time to head back. Bummer. But we got to get Buddy back to his mom. And, yeah. All in all, a fun weekend. Thanks for being along for the journey. Because remember, it is the journey, not the destination. Remember, folks, it's the journey, not the destination.